My name is Sarah Johnson. I work for Palm Springs Unified School District as an instructional coach for multiple elementary schools. With the new print shop, the biggest change is I can catch the mistakes before the print is ordered. So I'm able to preview the print, rearrange pages, and customize curriculum so that it meets the needs of our students. Applications that we printed this year revolved around student learning. We were able to print customized student journals. We were able to duplicate resources that were previously on the walls in classrooms and make them available for students to have in color at home. Previous printing wasn't always readily available in color, but this year, due to the efficiency of the program, color is an option that is more available. So in previous years, teachers would place orders that would be processed and printed over the summer in hopes that they would be on campus when students arrived. Now at the new print shop, teachers are able to request orders to be printed and processed with 100% certainty of delivery on the day students arrive in the fall. This eliminates the need for teachers to run to the copier machine on sites to print any materials that weren't there at the start of the school year.